Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to fill all the blank cells in one shot. So let's begin. Here we have data and in this data there are some blank cells. I have highlighted those cells which are blanks. Now what we are going to do, we are going to fill those blank cells with the upper value. For example, if the blank cells are these, so we need to copy this value, and again if the blank cell is this, we need to copy this value. So how we can do that? Just select your data. Now press Ctrl G, go to special. Now select blank cells. See what we want the upper cell value, so we will press equal sign and click on upper value. Now if I will press only enter, so it will copy this value, not all. So we need to press Control Enter and you can see the results. So you may arrange your data according to this method. So keep enjoying and keep learning.